What's up guys, back with an unboxing video. Something I figured I'd never ever get the chance to unbox, but so you can see by the title, I have now got the Management for my my E30, because I'm bagging it of course. So I got my compressors, got my Management, and then the tank. I'll go over everything that I chose as I'm unboxing it. I got a 5-gallon tank, got the 3 P's you could see in the title, and I got my compressors. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Alright, so like I said, it's my first time having an air ride or anything like that. I was looking at getting the V2 system, but for like $100 more, $150 more, you can get the 3P, which is a better system. It's faster, it's newer, has the Bluetooth that you can put on your phone. Handy dandy unboxing knife, used for everything. But like I said, it's only a few more pennies than the V2, so you know, why not go with the 3P, which is a better system. Plus you can get the height, the 3/8 system. All you gotta do is upgrade if you want to. So overall it's just a better system. But this is the tank. We can get everything out of here. Box inside of a box, what do you know? I decided to get a 5-gallon tank, like I said. I was gonna get a 4-gallon tank, but I figured why not have a bigger tank so you don't have to air up as much with the compressors, because you'll have more tank reserve. But go ahead and open it. I just got the raw polished one. I didn't see any reason to get the one that's chrome or whatever it is, or actually polished, because I want to plan on getting this this tank powder coated. So as you see on the little bracket, let's see if I can zoom in. Got the Airlift logo and everything, so it's pretty cool. So this is what you'll be seeing. You'll be seeing the front of the tank. Obviously you have your ports on your back. So hopefully I can get those all I get this whole tank powder coated, the bracket and everything. Which the time you see this video, I already have my bag install video out. So you guys can go check that out. I'll leave it linked or whatever. But pretty nice tank. It's a little bit lighter than I expected. I expected it to be heavier, but that's good, because once it gets full of air, it'll be back to being heavy again. So alright, so the next thing I'm going to focus on is going to be the double compressors. Like I said, these are the Bi-Air 44C compressors. I decided to go with a dual setup because, if in the case of ever one of these go out, you still have another one to back it up and pump the bags back up so you're not stranded. Plus it just airs up faster than having a single one, so you have less run time, so less noise. So for the 5-gallon tank like I have, if you're going all the way 0 up to 200 PSI, it takes 5 minutes and 30 seconds. And then if you're at 165 to 200, it takes about 1 minute 35. So I thought it'd be ideal to go with the dual compressor setup. So let's get all this tape off here. The shipping was pretty fast. It was only like, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. I missed the package the first time on a Friday, so I had to wait till Monday, which was yesterday. But it only took like 2 or 3 days. I'm in Indiana and they're in Vermont, so I guess it just depends where you're at, if you're like overstate or overseas or anything. But sorry guys, I'm a little crooked, I'm a little sick today, but I just wanted to get this out of the way. And I'm excited as fuck, so I can't just leave parts around and not look at it. So I decided to go with the chrome ones. You can get black. They do come in black. Got your little manual and everything. That comes with some stickers. Yeah. Comes with some Bi-Air stickers. So that's pretty cool if you guys are sticker whores, add that horsepower. Pull that shit out of the way. Here you got all your fittings and everything. The rubber mounts. All kinds of stuff for that. But these run off the 12-volt force, like the car does. The amp draw together on both these max is 40 amps, so you want to keep that in mind, if you're trying to do a car audio system and everything like I'm planning on doing, so I might have to upgrade my alternator. So here's the compressor. Like I said, it's chrome. It's pretty heavy actually. So it looked pretty nice, looked really solid. I'll be mounting these directly to the floor because I'm gonna do a hardwood floor. But like I said, I'll link you guys all the stuff down below. So those are pretty cool. I was gonna go with black, but I decided to go with chrome so they pop more in the trunk. it's gonna have like a black around the trunk and then the hardwood floor, so it should look pretty good. Let's go ahead and put that back in. Those dual compressors, definitely a good idea to do. I mean, it's only like an extra $100 or something. If I can focus. But like I said, it fills up faster and it saves you if you ever have one break down or stop working, so that's really nice. So that's the dual 4.4C by air compressors. They do make a 400 series, but I was told to go with this one because it's better. Plus it has a little bit of stuff on the front, shows you pretty much what's in the package. So you know, you got Teflon tape, you got all your fittings and screws and clips and all kinds of stuff. So this will be my first time doing a setup. But let's get into the management itself now. I already opened this box because I wanted to be impatient yesterday when it came in. But got all your paperwork, how to do it. Got a little sticker or a little thing just showing you that you can use the thing on your phone, which is one of the biggest things I liked about it. But then you got your little manual user guide and stuff. So they also gave you some Airlift stickers, which is pretty cool. You know, I like stickers. Alright, so I'll put all that stuff back in the bag. Details. I don't know if I said it or not in this video, but they also gave me a free sticker and a free shirt. And one of those things that goes around your plate. So here's the 3P packaging. Looks pretty dope. It's like black with the up and down arrows like this right here with the red, so it's pretty cool. So I'll open that in a second. Then this is all your wiring stuff, but we'll get into the management before we get into the wiring. I'm bringing it in closer just for a closer look. A little slip cover, that's pretty much what that is. This box is actually a lot heavier than I expected it was going to be too when I picked it up from the UPS guy. So that comes off. Then you got your Airlift branding right here. Designed for life on air, so super fucking excited about this shit. Not even gonna lie. So this I assume is the controller. So I'll get that out in a second. And that's just a box for it to sit on top of. Here's the manifold itself, the manifold in here, and then this is all the bracketry and everything. Open up. Wiring harness, and they also supply a cutter, which is very nice for them to do. Cut the nylon, air hoses. You got all kinds of zip ties, and all kind of hardwares, and your little cord for your or your controller. So extra fuses. That's pretty cool. So I'll put that back in the box because I'm not going to be using that. Put the box down. Get the controller out. This controller looks a lot like an iPod or like a Zune. It's a little bit different than the Airlift V2 one. This one's digital, so I mean the other one's digital too. It just has like a little analog screen and everything, but I'll have to find some place to mount this. But here's the controller. It's pretty cool. You got your all your presets and everything. You got some buttons over here, and your little piece right here plugs right into the back of it. So I'll have to find some place to mount that in the E30. So here's the management. Try to get in focus here for you guys. Airlift Performance on top. Got your connector right there. Got all your lines right here, front, left, and right, and then rear, left, and right. Then you got your tank, and then you got your I guess that's your exhaust, you know, for the all those pretty cool noises. So that's the unit itself. I'm gonna have this on like a little bracket or whatever, but that's months down the line, but you'll see everything if you guys check out the video. But pretty cool. That's pretty much what's in the box for that. That's all the management stuff. Like I said, guys, this is my first time doing any kind of bags. I'm on BC Coils right now, which I want to talk about because I'm going to be going with the the OCD bags, which thread directly onto the BC coils. So I didn't go with the Airlift shocks and everything. I'm just gonna keep the BC coils and everything because they only have like 3 or 4K on them. And I'm gonna thread those directly on, and then this is the management I'll be using for it. So that's gonna be pretty dope. It's gonna be the first E30 with those bags on them. They're a fairly new company. They're out of the UK. I found them on Bag Riders when I was looking up management and stuff just to check prices. If I got the whole Airlift kit, it'd be like I think it's like $3,500 with the 3P and all the stuff I got, plus the shocks and the rear shocks. So I'm saving a lot more money going this way, and I don't have to buy new spindles and weld on stuff. But that's for the other video. So I got a mess over here, but let's go ahead and get into this wiring because I just forgot about that. Alright, so let's get into all the wiring, the hoses and everything. Alright, you got some nylon here. Comes with all your fittings. So that's really nice. You got your drain hose right here. Because you will have to drain your tank, you know, because condensation builds up and everything. So you got a whole bag of fittings, Teflon tape. There's just all kinds of fittings in here. It's kind of intimidating, but I think this is your water trap. Got a bracket for that. I'm not sure how much line it comes with, but you know, I got a gang of 1/4 inch line because I decided to go with 1/4 inch because E30s are small, so I didn't really need 3/8. So I do plan on doing hard lines too, but I didn't order that right now. But that's that. Here's the entire wiring harness. It's pretty damn simple to hook this up, honestly. I've watched some videos on it, but pretty straightforward and easy system. You just got to run all the wires and everything because my battery's in the back. So that's all that comes in that for that. So that's everything, the whole management, all the lines, everything. So like I said, this management usually costs $1,700. I got it on Black Friday for 25% off, so I ended up paying $1,275, which is a steal because even if you bought like manual management, it's only like, I don't know, like $1,000, so you're only paying, you know, $200 or $300 more for a superior system that's going to last longer. And like I said, you can upgrade to the 3H, which has the high sensors on them, so that's pretty cool. So I might do that in the future, but I'm gonna take some product pictures. That's pretty much it for the video. Hope I didn't ramble on too much. Like I said, I'm gonna be doing the install over the winter. It's right now, it's like December 5th, so I'll be doing all this stuff, and then I'll link you guys the video down below because I'm not gonna put this up until the bags are installed on the car. And my ride height's all good and everything, but that's pretty much it. Super glad I went with the 3P. I was gonna go with V2 like I said, but 3P is just a better system. It's faster, dual compressors, makes it so you air up faster, and I don't have to worry about hearing the compressors making noise forever. So that's it for the video. Thanks guys for watching, and hopefully see you guys in the next one.